Wall Street says AI will change everything, but some investors think it could destroy trillions first. In 1999, investors were betting on websites with no profits. Today, Wall Street is betting trillions on machines that could replace humanity itself. The dot-com bubble destroyed $5 trillion, but the AI bubble? It's already tied to companies worth more than the entire GDP of most countries. And almost nobody is asking the most dangerous question of all. What happens if the hype stops growing? For the first time in history, a handful of tech companies are controlling the future of money, labor, information, and human attention. NVIDIA became one of the most valuable companies on Earth almost overnight. Microsoft poured billions into AI. OpenAI triggered the biggest tech race since the internet itself. And Wall Street did what Wall Street always does. It turned excitement into a financial frenzy. But this is where things get scary. During the dot-com era, investors believed the internet would change the world. They were right. The internet did change everything, but most internet companies still collapsed. That's the part people forget. In 2000, billionaires, analysts, and everyday Americans believed stocks could only go higher. Companies with no profits reached insane valuations. Then reality arrived. NASDAQ crashed nearly 80%. Entire fortunes vanished. Now look at today. AI companies are being valued like they already own the future. Some startups are worth billions before generating meaningful revenue. Investors are throwing money into anything with the letters and I attached to it. And almost nobody noticed this. A huge percentage of the S&P 500's growth is now driven by only a few mega tech companies. That means millions of retirement accounts, pensions, and index funds are heavily dependent on the AI story continuing forever. That's not innovation, that's concentration risk. But the real problem is much bigger. AI isn't just another tech trend. It threatens jobs, entire industries, human creativity itself. Executives aren't investing in AI because they love technology. They're investing because replacing humans is incredibly profitable. One AI system can work 24 hours a day, never sleep, never ask for a raise, never unionize. And billionaire psychology makes this even more dangerous. When investors see people getting rich fast, logic disappears. Fear turns into greed. Greed turns into mania. That's exactly what happened during the railroad bubble, the housing bubble, the crypto bubble, and the dot-com crash. Different technology, same human behavior. What happened next shocked Wall Street. Even insiders are quietly warning that AI revenue may not justify current valuations. Building advanced AI systems costs staggering amounts of money. Data centers, chips, electricity, infrastructure. Yet markets are pricing AI as if infinite growth is guaranteed. History says that never ends well. And here's the terrifying part. If the AI boom slows down, even slightly, trillions of dollars could evaporate faster than most people can comprehend. Not because AI is fake, but because expectations became detached from reality. That's how bubbles work. They sell the future before the future actually arrives. And maybe AI really will transform civilization. Maybe it becomes bigger than the internet itself. But bubbles don't crash because technology fails. They crash because human greed outruns reality. And if that happens again, the next market collapse may not just destroy companies, it could destroy trust in the entire financial system.